థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఇప్పుడు మన రాష్ట్రానికి డైనమిక్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ ఎన్ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారిని ప్రసంగించాల్సింది కోరుతా ఉన్నాను. దాదాపు మన రాష్ట్రాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నాం. ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నంత అన్ని దేశాలను కూడా మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైపు, మన రాష్ట్ర వైపు చూసే అవకాశం ఉందని చెప్పారు. అది కళ నిజం కావాలని కోరుతూ వాడిని కోరుతాను.
ఆనరబుల్ జస్టిస్ శ్రీ ఎన్వి రమణ గారు, జడ్జి ఇన్ సుప్రీం కోర్ట్, జస్టిస్ శ్రీ రామసుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు,
Honorable Judge, High Court of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, my colleague Mr. Uma Maheshwara Garu, Honorable MP Devidan Nani Garu, Supreme Court Bar Association President Suri Garu, Andhra Pradesh Advocates Cricket Association representatives. If you see here today, Allahabad, Gwalior, Chhattisgarh, Supreme Court, Aurangabad, Guwahati, Gujarat, Lucknow, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Calcutta, Karnataka, Jabalpur, Delhi, Indore, Telangana, Bombay, Goa. 18 states are represented. I am very happy. This is a new state, young baby. I can say it is only 2.5 years old. We have to learn how to walk. We are in learning stage. At the same time, beautiful place. If you see here, hills, then you will decide to settle here only. Only your practice is somewhere. That is the problem. That is the beauty of this place. I am very happy. And also today, if you see the ground also, it is very nice. Even I am also tempted to play here. I want to stay 1 week here only. But there are some occupations. Now I have to go. By seeing all these things, we are very happy to host you. Advocates, always you are playing cricket in courts. Respective courts, either Supreme Court or High Courts. Winning and losing. I can say once in 5 years we are taking a battle. Every day you are taking battle in the courts. I am very happy for that. Then you will be more spirited than us. Same spirit you have to continue here. And also nowadays there is a change. If you say there is a defeat, nobody will accept for it. It is not a defeat. It is only we try to win, but we couldn't make it. Now we are trying our best for next win. That is the mood of the people. Great nation, great opportunities. I don't have any doubt. India will be the country in the near future, top 1 among 3 countries in the world. If you play well, if you do well, I am confident India will be number 1 and 2. If you see all over the world, India, China, America, these are all the 3 countries in the near future which are going to dominate in the global level. But compared to other countries, we are having so many advantages. One advantage, demographic dividend. Younger population are more world in India. Nowadays technology, it is a big advantage for us. Always jokingly I used to say, British left only English. They have taken everything including Kohinoor diamond, which is coming from here only in Guntur district. Even Kohinoor diamond was Paritala. Okay, there is a dispute again. Originally, people are saying from Guntur, now it is Paritala. Okay, nearby. Even my Honorable Justice from Supreme Court is from that place. He is also, our Justice has rightly mentioned, he is a diamond. from this place who has produced the Supreme Court. We are very happy for that. Even Krishna is very strong in producing eminent personalities. Even today, there are 2 judges from this state. We are very happy for that. And I am very happy you are all here. Very good fun for you. You play, eat well also. This is a very rich food is available here. And also fish, fresh fish. We are number 1 in exporting aqua. This is the place. More than 60% of aqua products are being exported to any other country. And also very rich food because of long back, cotton has given water, Prakasam barrage, 160 years back. That's why these people are they will eat very rich food. I am from different parts of the country, state, that is Rayalaseema, very backward area. From the beginning, these people are used to eat rice, rich food, fat. Because of that, they are having all problems also. That is another issue now. Even diabetes, all these things. So, wonderful time. I am very happy. All states are represented. Last time, here only, there was a women international tournament also conducted. Now all India, you are all here for the last, this is I think 28th match. And I am very happy. It is a good place for moving in and around, good tourism spots also. I will ask my tourism department also to be in touch with you so that you will have a good time. And also wonderful river. If you see this river, nowhere in the country this type of river is available in the city itself. Now this river is linked with another river, Godavari river. First time in India we are talking about linking of rivers. It has happened in Andhra Pradesh, linking of Krishna and Godavari. Now this water, some of the water is from Godavari also. So this really I appreciate all of you. I have seen you, very spirited. I wish all the best. Again and again I am requesting you to come and play here. Even tomorrow we will create one of the best golf and other playgrounds also. Culturally also we are very rich here. Even Kuchipudi, morning only we have inaugurated. There is also very rich culture here nearby this place only. One village, Kuchipudi, they started from that place. Anyway, even the Supreme Court Bar Association President also is here. Sir, you have to come very often to our place and you have to help us in promoting Andhra Pradesh. It is a new state, we need all your cooperation and good wishes also. With this, I am very happy today is a very good day. Our Justice Ramasubramanian also, morning I heard his speech, he is very, very spiritual. I am very happy for that. He is also visiting this place. It will go a long way in promoting sports, especially cricket. Cricket means everybody is interested only to play cricket. If you see so many people, that's why I want to promote other games also. 2018 we have competed for Olympic Games. National Games we are going to conduct in Amaravati in 2018. That is also going to happen. Always I prefer, I promote, everybody should play sometime, any game for that matter, either cricket, football or tennis, which game you like you have to play half an hour or 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Physical exercise is important and also physical literacy is also important. I am confident judges are having more stress. You are always engaged in busy cases. Naturally, you will have a stressful life. To diffuse that stress, one should spend 1 or 2 hours for his personal life. That is cricket and other games. I am very happy again and again. Our justice, both judges, are both of them, has to leave now to catch flight. They are in tension. I am talking. They are in tension. I am very happy. Now, finally, I declare 28th cricket match of Baro Station is open. Is on 28th All India Advocates Cricket Tournament. I declare as open. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.
I'm very, very thankful, sir. The dynamic and Chief Minister to give this support to all the sports and games and other things. Just small felicitation to our Chief Minister and Mr. Ramanagar and other things. Mr. Veruguputti Ramakrishna is hereby requested to come on dais to present a memento. Mr. Suresh, Secretary of AP Cricket President, is hereby requested to give a tournament, give a memento to Honorable Chief Minister.